Good afternoon. Vision for my life, fall semester students. Today is Friday, October the 2nd, 2020. Now, when you do your assignments, when you turn them in. Also, for people making payments, your your first payment is due. It was last Friday or this Friday. I had a couple people did theirs, but there's still a couple people that need to make their payments. If not, you're gonna receive late notice by this week. All right. Also, so far we have covered adding, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now we're going to do average and exponents. What is average? I want to find out the average of how many kids that come to class every day. How many kids? So if I have 30 kids in one class, 40 kids in another class, 50 kids in another class, 10 kids, and then I would divide by how many numbers there is. So if I only said 4, then it's whatever the answer is divided by 4, okay? So you're going to be doing some adding first and then division, all right? Add all the numbers up first and then divide by how many number it is. So I'm going to give you an example here. You see it, I'm going to try to get closer. All right, right, average. So you have all these numbers here. They average, add them all together first and came up with the answer. So then they took that answer and made a division problem. So they took the big number, put it inside of the quotient, inside of the box area. You count how many number it is. So, and then I divide 6 by how many, what the answer is with all the numbers and make a division problem. So once again, you're going to add it all together first. Take the answer down at the bottom, create a division, put the big number inside of the box area, and then how many number it is, average. So I'm going to give you this paper, so this worksheet, so you will know. It shows you how to do it, okay? If you still have problems, you can also Google or go on YouTube and put in how do you find average, and they will show you there too. Utilize the internet. That's the purpose of it, all right? So that's average. Next, ready for a little algebra for second semester. So right here, we have to write each multiplication problem and then find the product. So if I have 3 to the second power, by 2, that would be 6, right? But what they mean is 3 to the second means you multiply 3 2 times. 3 times 3 is 9. All right. So if I have what it means, multiply 5 2 times. 5 times 5 is 25. And this will show you as well the direction. And if you still have problems, Google it. All right. All right. So today we're going to be working with finding the average and exponents. All right. And that's going to be your actually kind of like your last assignment before going into our second semester. So today is going to be your last. I'm going to cut off there. Next week, I will be giving you your assignments, preparing you for your finals. Okay. So the stuff that I give you next week coming up is getting you ready for your finals. While we're on that 1 week break, you want to make sure it's kind of like you got 2 weeks. You got next week to work on it, and then the following week to work on it because you won't have class. You got 1 week off, getting ready for second semester, and you have to have it turned in on next week, though. All right, and it will start on Tuesday. So I will give you your Tuesday final assignment, which will be your finals for reading, English on Wednesday, Thursday American government, Friday would be math, and you will have almost like a week or so to get it all done before our second semester starts. All right, if you have any questions, you always contact me. So I'm going to send this in an email, of course, like I always do. And some people are not getting their email, I'm going to send it to your phone as well. So people who cannot get their email, they're having problems, then I'm gonna send it to your phone as well. So make sure you get those worksheets. Sometimes when I send this video, it won't allow me to do attachment. So I have to do a second email to kind of do the attachment for the assignment. So that's why sometimes on Fridays you get like two different assignments. All right. So today, once again, is Friday Basic College Math assignment. There'll be two worksheets, one on average, one on exponent. Hold on, it is due back that Friday night. All right. Remember that cap and gown fee are due on October the 16th and the 23rd. So next week we will do that 1 week. Well, you do your week and then you get the 1 week break. All right. So you got 2 different days. You got the 16th and the 23rd. Don't have it on the 16th. You got to the 23rd. I think they'll give you guys all the way up to the 25th at Sunday because you can pay it through Cash App, Walmart to Walmart, PayPal, and MoneyGram, and Western Union. All right, 5 different ways that you can make your payments to get it in. So you don't have to see me to get it in, just like you're doing your payments now. Unfortunately, this coronavirus have kind of put a lot of distance. We just heard about our with the coronavirus, so I don't know if this is true or is a lie or is it fake news. Dealing with Donald Trump, we just never know. We just never know with him, We don't know if when he's telling the truth or he's lying. Because he lies so much. But okay, that's all I have to say. I want you all to have a beautiful weekend and be safe.